Hello crazy coders, welcome back to yet another Python turtle graphics tutorial. Today we will make a turtle race. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'm gonna import our turtle, and after that we'll use one module which is random. So let's import it. And yeah, also from time import sleep. We have used it so many times. So let's move ahead. And yeah, first thing is creating a turtle. Yeah, that's very simple. And now the first thing is I want to draw a finish line. So for that, what I will do is first I will do a pen up. This will help us to not draw but yet move a turtle. And I will go to at 280 comma. So while going to that place, we don't want to draw it, so that's why I did the pen up. And now after that, what I'll do is I will actually write something which is a text. So for that, I will just use this write function to write text, and I will pass finish line as a parameter. So this will be written at that position, and after that I will actually pen down. That's it. And this will draw. So let's run it. As you can see, you are able to see it went so fast. So I'll just pass here too. Courier, and I will give font as 20, and I will keep it bold, and also pass it to this as font equals style. And also I want to align it in the center, so I think this works. So let's run it. Yeah, it's looking good. Now let's draw the line. We all know how to draw a line, so I will just do it very fast. So yes, so what this basically do is after drawing the finish line, like after writing the finish line text, it will pen down so that we can draw it. And I will draw it until this point. So while it's going, it's also draw. And then I'm doing pen up, so that again, if we want to move but we don't want to draw, and we'll go to this position, and this position will be the starting position of our race. So yes, it will has gone there. Yeah, we have the line and it has reached here. So now shape of this turtle, and I will give shape as turtle. You like there are a lot of other things like square and circle maybe, and this will turn the our this thing into turtle. So first thing I'll just do this, that the only change is visible is our turtle. Yeah, that's great, we are able to see a turtle. And now what we're gonna do is, yes, of course I want to give a pen color purple. Okay, and now I will do one thing, that is I will create another turtle, so that we need to at least to decide the winner for a race, and we can simply do it with t dot flow. Okay, and yes, our second turtle will be created, and also I will take this to the starting position. So for that I'll just do t2 dot pen up and t2 go, and the starting position is like minus 200. Okay, yeah, we have two ready, and I think pen color is actually not working. Okay, it's not pen color. I want to change the color of the turtle as well. So yeah, we draw the finish line. We have two, but with the same color. So I'll just change this color as well, orange. Okay, I think now this should work. So yeah, we have the finish line, we have two turtle, and we are ready for the race. So that was it from this video. This is part 1 of our turtle race, and in the next video we'll talk about the logic of the race. So thank you for watching. We will catch you up in the next video.